Hey there, YouTube. It's time for another OpenBSD quickie. This time we're going to talk about packages. This is just a quick overview on, package management, really. Like always, I always recommend reading the manual pages because all these tools are very well documented. Like the ones I am talking about are like PKG add, and I have to stipulate that the OpenBSD documentation is very extensive and very, very clear. So basically, if you don't understand something or want to go deeper, deep diving more into how stuff works, RTFM, basically. So yes. I will just because people are usually wary of reading those manuals, even though they are quite good. I will just go over like installing, deleting, and whatever. Just those kind of things, just to get you going, just so you can install packages and read the docs later. So yeah. So how do you know what you have installed? Well, there's pkg info, and if you just run it without any arguments, you just get the list of all the packages. So if you look at the main page, it will basically say that, but a more interesting one is -q. -q will help you search packages. For instance, pkg info. That's the game, for instance. So it will list all the. Oh, let's do it through less. So you get all these Vim-related packages, also NeoVim. So like that, so that you can find out how or what. Let's pull up the manual page again. So yeah, you can do check signatures. You can see if a package is installed for using scripts. You can use a PKG path, basically inside the ports tree, what it's supposed to be in the ports tree, because packages come from ports. Yeah. You can packing list instructions, install messages. You can get those. For instance, info. Does it have one? Of course, I have to type it correctly first. No, it doesn't have one. So yeah, that's PKG info. You can use it to search packages and see what you have installed, see what's inside those packages, etc., etc. Read the man page. You can figure it out. So how do you install packages? So you use pkg add and then a package name. You've probably seen people do that before. Let's install something. This is a package that has nice potential, but it's kind of buggy. I wouldn't use that to manage your packages, even though it has a nice N-cursors interface to your package manager. But I wouldn't use this. But it's just to install something, so I can actually tell you how to delete it. So just of course I have to be root. Let's install this. I'm just gonna install some stuff. Right, now it's installed. And you messed with it and you don't like it and you want to get rid of it. But the thing is, you can just do pkg delete and then pkg mgr. But it installed all this other crap that you probably will never use. So how do you get rid of that? Well, you do pkg delete pkg delete -a. And it will delete those child packages that nothing else uses. It won't deinstall a package. It won't install if you use other Perl-based N-Cursors apps, it won't delete the Perl N-Cursors package because it's used by something else, so it won't touch that. All these things are like now they're like orphans, and nothing uses it, so you can just delete them. So yeah, that's how you do that. PKG delete -a. You have to be if you are on FreeBSD, however, don't use this command. Oh no. It used to be like that because in FreeBSD in the old days this meant delete all the packages. But right now for OpenBSD it's just delete the packages that are not used by anything and that are not hand installed. By the way, it's another thing that it won't delete. If you manually installed any of these packages, it won't delete it either. So, of course, packages get old and you need to update them. So, you can do pkg update -u. Many people do like capital U and other stuff. You don't need that. You don't really need that. Just -u is enough. And if the version number of this is a current system, by the way. If your current system right now, if I do right now it's 7.7, but this is a current system. Eventually, current will move to 7.8, and then the packages and the system version won't align anymore. So then you have to do -u and then -d snap. That's only when the 7.7 in current becomes a 7.8. Then you need to use snap. Otherwise, this is plenty. You don't need any other maybe -v or something, or just read the manual page for PKG add. Just read that. Normally, this is all you need. But what if you want to see what it will install? Well, then you add an n. And -n will simulate a package update. So if I do this, it will look like it's installing stuff, but actually it's not. I can do this many times over. And you can actually also, interrupt it. So it will see that it has, I probably should get rid of that because I'm not using that anymore. So you see here, it's looking like it's updating a package, but actually it's not. I can actually do this several times and it will just do the same thing. Or if there are any more new packages, then it will do those as well. So you can basically kind of preview what it's going to do. So it's complaining because of the WIP ports, but I have the video about that. So right now we have, if you really want to install those packages, you do like this, and it will actually install the packages. Now it's actually doing it. Also, if you do simulated install, it will download the packages. It will just not install them yet. So you can actually use the -n to prefetch packages for updates if you go offline for a bit or something like that. So packages. That's it. I hope you found this informative and useful. Have fun. Bye now.